Should I move it a different way, or is that okay? That's cool. That's good? Okay. So, real teeny tiny up here. Little almond-shaped structure. This is the ovary. That's how small they are. They're really teeny tiny. Much, much smaller than the kidneys even. In us, I put the picture up there, in us we have the ovary, and then we have this long tube, the fallopian tube, that extends from the ovary all the way down to here where we have a centralized uterus. Kitty cats, though, are set up different anatomically. And why are they set up different? Because they have multiple litters. I mean, they have multiple pregnancies in one litter. They're not like us. So all of this stuff up here and up here, that's all uterus. What cats have are what are called uterine horns. So they have almost no fallopian tube. See, the ovary's right there, little teeny tiny short fallopian tube, and then all this is uterus. And what that allows for then is multiple attachments, so that when they have their litter of little kitty cats, they can deliver, you know, and it kind of, when it starts squeezing, one comes from this side, another one comes from this side, and they have multiple births. We're not set up for this. This is why it's so dangerous to do like Octomom or John and Kate +8. What they did was they basically took fertility drugs, FSH, that follicle stimulating hormone. They made a whole bunch of eggs. Then they, the way those two worked was they then took the eggs out of the mom. They fertilized them in vitro in a petri dish, and then what they did is implanted all those embryos back into mom. The way it's supposed to work on those fertility clinics is they wait a while and they see which of the embryos has the best attachment point, which one is developing the best, and then they remove the other ones. So many people have real ethical and moral problems with that because essentially they think that's like abortion basically. You're deciding which embryos are going to stay in there. Well, what Octomom did and what John and Kate +8 did was they left them all in, which is hugely dangerous, which is why the doctor that got sued, the one that Octomom's doctor, and I think he lost his license, or he at least had to pay a huge fine, because it's really dangerous for mom and for babies. We're not set up to have like litters. We just don't have enough uterus, basically. I mean, you see the pictures of what Octomom looked like at the end? I mean, it was just, I mean, it's really, really dangerous to do that. So, this kitty cat, in addition to having uterine horns, I suspect is partially pregnant. So I will leave whoever's cat this is, the group, carefully cut it open, and what you might find are little developing kitties inside.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
I'll do it. Okay? Be careful, open up the uterine horns and see. It appears as if that cat is pregnant.